Your parents lied to you, your teachers lied to you, and every single career counselor who told you to pick one thing and stick with it was dead wrong. The biggest career myth of the 21st century is that successful people are specialists, when in reality, the people making bank right now are the ones jumping between industries like they're playing career hopscotch. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to weaponize your scattered interests into a money-making machine that would make your guidance counselor weep with regret. Okay, you're sitting there with 17 different browser tabs open. One's about photography, another's about coding, there's something about sustainable farming, and somehow you've ended up researching 15th century poetry. Your friends think you're having an identity crisis. Your family keeps asking when you're going to figure out what you want to do. And LinkedIn keeps suggesting job titles that sound like they were invented by a random word generator. But here's the thing that's going to blow your mind. You're not broken, you're not unfocused, you're not a failure because you can't pick one lane and stay in it like some career robot. You're actually ahead of the curve, and everyone else is stuck playing by rules that expired when flip phones were still cool. Let's talk about the death of the traditional career path. The old model of career success looks like the letter T. You go deep in one area and wide in general knowledge. Become a specialist, they said. Master one craft, they said. Well, congratulations to everyone who followed that advice, because you're now competing with artificial intelligence that can do your specialized job faster, cheaper, and without needing coffee breaks. Meanwhile, the future belongs to what I call the M-shaped professional. And if you're someone with multiple interests, you're already halfway there without even knowing it. What the hell is an M-shaped career, you may ask? Picture the letter M. It has multiple peaks. That's your career. Instead of being ridiculously deep in one thing, you become highly skilled in 2, 3, or even 4 different areas. But here's the kicker. These aren't random skills. They're strategically chosen skills that complement each other like the world's most profitable boy band. Let me tell you about Sarah. She's a graphic designer who also knows coding and marketing psychology. While other designers are competing for the same jobs, Sarah's clients pay her triple because she doesn't just make pretty pictures. She builds designs that convert, understands the technical limitations, and knows exactly why certain colors make people want to buy stuff. She's not just a designer, she's a business weapon. These people aren't scattered, they're strategic, and that scattered energy you've been feeling guilty about. That's your superpower trying to emerge. The M-shaped future is inevitable. The job market is getting weird, and by weird, I mean awesome for people like us. Companies don't want to hire 5 different specialists anymore. They want one person who can do the work of 3 people, understand how all the pieces fit together, and still have enough brain cells left to think strategically. This is happening because technology is eliminating routine specialist work faster than you can say jack. Business problems require cross-functional thinking. Startups can't afford specialists for every function. Remote work means companies hire for projects, not positions. Specialization can become obsolete overnight. The M-shaped strategy is easy, and next I will be telling you how to build your career using it. Now, before you run off and try to become good at everything, slow your roll. The M-shaped strategy isn't about being mediocre at a bunch of random stuff. It's about being excellent at complementary skills that multiply each other's value. Step 1. Identify your core interest clusters. Look at all your interests and group them into clusters. Don't think about them as separate hobbies. Think about them as potential business superpowers. Maybe you love fitness, nutrition, and app design. That's not 3 random interests. That's a health tech entrepreneur waiting to happen. Step 2. Find the intersection points. The magic happens where your skills overlap. If you know marketing and psychology, you understand consumer behavior. If you know technology and education, you can build learning platforms. If you know finance and storytelling, you can explain complex investment concepts in ways that don't make people's brains melt. Step 3. Build bridges, not walls. Instead of keeping your interests in separate boxes, start connecting them. Take on projects that require multiple skill sets. Create content that combines your different knowledge areas. Show the world that your diverse interests aren't a bug, they're a feature. Now that we have established that, let's talk about a practical game plan. Here's how you're going to execute this without losing your mind or your rent money. Phase 1. skill audit and selection. Make a list of every skill you have or interest you've explored. Now, be brutal. Which ones actually complement each other? Which ones solve real problems? Which ones are growing industries versus dying ones? Pick 3 to 5 skills that work together like a well-oiled machine. Phase 2. Strategic skill development. Don't try to master everything at once. Pick one skill as your foundation, something you're already decent at or naturally drawn to. Master that first. Then add complementary skills one at a time. Think of it like building a house. You need a strong foundation before you start adding the fancy features. Phase 3. Create proof of concept projects. Start combining your skills in small, low-risk projects. Build a website that showcases your design and coding skills. Write articles that combine your industry knowledge with your communication abilities. Create solutions that demonstrate how your diverse skill set solves problems other people can't. Phase 4. Position yourself strategically. Stop calling yourself a jack of all trades. That phrase makes people think you're mediocre at everything. Instead, position yourself as a cross-functional specialist or a multidisciplinary expert. Own your unique combination of skills, like it's the career equivalent of a limited edition collectible. Now, listen to this because I can't teach you all these without telling you the common mistakes that can destroy your M-shaped career. Mistake 1. Trying to be everything to everyone. Stay focused on skills that amplify each other. Mistake 2. Never going deep enough. You still need to be genuinely skilled at each chosen area. Mistake 3. Ignoring market demand. Research which skill combinations are actually in demand before investing years developing them. The future is M-shaped, and you're already there while everyone else is panicking about artificial intelligence taking their jobs. You're building a career that's artificial intelligence resistant by design. Machines can replace specialists, but they struggle with complex, creative, cross-functional thinking. They can write code or create art, but they can't understand business strategy, human psychology, and technical implementation all at the same time. Your scattered interests aren't a weakness. They're preparation for a future that rewards cognitive flexibility, creative problem solving, and the ability to see patterns across different fields. You're not unfocused, you're evolved. Your M-shaped action plan starts now, so stop apologizing for your diverse interests. Stop feeling guilty about not fitting into traditional career boxes. The boxes are breaking anyway, and you're already standing outside them. Take inventory of your skills, find the connections, build bridges between your interests, create proof of concept projects. Position yourself strategically, and most importantly, own your unique combination of abilities like the career superpower it actually is. The future doesn't need more specialists. It needs more people who can think across boundaries, solve complex problems, and adapt to rapid change. It needs more M-shaped professionals. The M-shaped future isn't coming. It's already here, and your scattered, diverse, beautifully complex set of interests isn't holding you back. It's your ticket to the front of the line. So, stop trying to pick one thing. Start connecting all your things. Your future self will thank you. The comment of the day goes to Martin Castle, and it reads, "Wow, absolutely brilliant video. Thanks. Glad you found the insights useful. Applying them is the next step."